Hey there, OnStream users. Are you facing issues with the OnStream app not working, crashing, or not loading properly? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the troubleshooting steps to fix these issues and get your OnStream app back up and running smoothly.
Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.
Method 1. Clear cache. You just have to clear unwanted data from your application. For that, on your Android device, please go to Settings, Installed Apps. Locate OnStream app and hit the Clear Cache button. Method 2. App Settings launch OnStream app on your device. Go to Settings Source List, Refresh Time Interval. Increase the value to 15 seconds, clear the cache, relaunch the application, and you will start seeing the content list. Method 3. Internet speed. There could be a possibility that your internet connection is not stable or you are in a zone where connectivity is going through many glitches. In such cases, either check your Wi-Fi connectivity or try the app again when you are in a zone with good internet connectivity. Method 4. Restart your phone. Turn off your phone. Then turn it on. Now check if OnStream app is working or not. Method 5. Force close and restart OnStream. App Nashtan on Android, go to Settings Apps, App Management. Look for OnStream app and tap on it. Tap on Force Stop and confirm it. Now open the app and check if problem solved or not.
On iPhone, bring up the app switcher. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and release in the middle, or double tap the home screen button. Locate the OnStream app and swipe up on it to close the app. Now restart your iPhone and open the app and then check. Method 6. Check for OnStream app. Update. Make sure your OnStream app is up to date. If not, then kindly update it to the latest version. After updating the app, check it is working or not. At the end of all these steps, also check for any updates available for your operating system, whether it's Android or iOS. If the issue still persists, try completely uninstalling the application, reinstalling it, and then checking again. Finally, if the issue persists, wait for a few hours. It might not be a problem specific to you. The application could be undergoing an update internally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Login Page for more helpful tutorials and app troubleshooting tips. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to keep providing valuable content. Let's continue learning and growing together.